Yo, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I am in the Civic, and as you can tell by the title, we're going to be doing some things today. Particularly, I'm going to be heading out to a car meet, the Fujiwara Tofu Shop. That is the place where I like to go car meets the most because everyone behaves and it never gets shut down, and it's a cool environment, mostly JDM cars. But aside from the point, before we head to the car meet, there is one thing I want to do in the Civic, and so that's what we're gonna do before we head out. And yeah, let's do it. So before we head out to the car meet, the thing that I want to do is change out the LED lights that is on my gauge cluster. So if I turn off my interior lights right now and then I turn on the gauge cluster lights, you see how it's all blue. It actually matches the theme. I have blue on my HVAC controls and then blue on the footwells. Slippers. Anyways, yeah, it matches the theme, but after driving for some time, the blue can get kind of fatiguing to the eyes, and so I'm gonna make it white. And unfortunately, by making it white, it won't really match the overall blue, but it'll be a little bit easier on the eyes. All right, so let's go ahead and take off this gauge cluster. Super easy if you haven't done it before. There is 2 Phillips screws at the top, and then everything else is just pry out. And once you get this out, there's like 4 more screws that holds the gauge cluster, which again is super easy. And I forgot to mention, you have to take off the plastic covering that sits near the steering hub. Luckily, there are just 3 screws that hold it from the bottom, and then once you take it off, this can come off. Alright, with the bezel off, now you have full access to the gauge cluster, and I believe there is just 2 bolts. 1, 2, oh no, I'm capping, 3 and 4. So there's 2 at the top, right there. I don't know if the camera can get it. I should turn on the flash. All right, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right here, it's 1T10, but you can modify the socket to be able to fit a T5. So speaking of which, all of these LED bulbs are T5s. That is the size, and then it's 1T10. So if you're replacing all of them, again, it's 1, 6, 7, 8, 12, 13 on the back. If you include the T10, it's 14. And then if you want to change the 2 top ones, which is right here, it is going to be 16. So these LEDs are super tiny. Again, these are T5s. If I can get the camera to focus. There we go. How you put them in, there's a particular way since these are polarized. So if you put them in and it doesn't work the first time, try switching it and doing a 180, because these have to sit a certain way in order for them to work. So really quickly, this is what a T10 bulb looks like. This is a T5. Obviously the T10 is double the size. These you usually use for like map lights, interior dome lights. So yeah, you only really need 1 T10, but you can modify this thing to hold a T5. All you have to do is just get a pick or something and squeeze the prongs a little bit closer together so one of the T5s can fit. But since I'm going to be doing this to my CRV as well, I got me a set of T10s. Alright, so here's the final product. I ended up not changing all of the bulbs. So the main parts were, I changed to an LED bulb on the bottom left, top left, and then the center bulb, and then the top right, and then the bottom right. Everything else I left the same, because for the main part, I'm just going to be seeing these dials, and the bulbs are still good. The other things is these 2 bulbs as well. I ended up leaving the same as well to the OEMs, because if you ended up changing these 2, the top overhead to LED. It's going to be super bright, and I don't want it to be super bright when I'm driving. I just want to be able to see the main information, as well as if you what am I going to say? I'm already tripping out. The other bulbs go for the indicator lights, so like the brake light, battery light, oil light, whatever. They all work, and there's nothing wrong with them, and I don't need them to be super bright, especially if I have a check engine light. So for the most part, I didn't change them. So 5 bulbs, specifically 6 if you count the T10, that I changed for the gauge cluster. So now that everything's good, everything checks out, let's go ahead and start wrapping things up so we can go to the meet. What's up, Brian? Welcome to the vlog, Ryan.
Hi, dude.
Dab me up. What's up, Brian? Alright, you ready to hit the meet?
Yep, I'm ready.
Look, I changed my lights white.
Oh, you did?
Yeah. Oh, this is cool. This is cool right here. K-swap in the Eclipse, that's nice. That's super nice. That's cool. This is clean.
It looks clean as hell, dude.
Toyos. Carbon fiber hood too, I believe, and fenders. K-series. Here. It's cold. Should have brought my sweater. I left it in the car, honestly. Wow, that's so fun. Cigarette. This is nice. Beautiful. Carbon fiber hood. Bolts. Even the grill is carbon fiber. Wow. 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 Supra. Yes. Wow. Wow, that's so nice. is super sick. This is cool. Definitely come. Saw you ran off for a second.
I did. I was looking around everywhere.
It's nice, huh?
Yeah.
Look at this charger right here.
2 chargers.
Carbon fiber. Wow. One day.
What?
Wow, this is cool. Not really. Sorry, man. That's cool. Watch out, right? Watch out. Look, right? It says BR Zaddy.
I thought it said Brazzy.
Brazzy? No, BR Zaddy.
It's kind of funny, to be honest.
Hey, it's Jollibee. Look, it's Jollibee license plate. That's cool. Wow. Could be you one day, Ryan, with the VW.
One day with this car?
Yeah. Woo! This is sick. Cool. I'm gonna buy something after we walk around. Holy moly! Look how low this is. Could be you too, Ryan.
You, me? With the Civics?
Yeah. It's missing a lug though.
I like this art type though.
What'd you say, Ryan?
I like this type of
Cool. You have one here too. Wow. Ooh, this could be you definitely for sure, right?
Yeah.
Definitely, I could see you do.
Definitely me.
I can see you doing it, right? So shiny and glossy. I wish mine was like that. Wow, that is cool. Yeah. Hey, we have the same lip. Oh, nice rims. EF and EK, nice. Nice. Ooh, Supra. Nice. This is what the front looks like. Still pretty packed. The meet started at 7. And what time is it right now, Ryan?
8:42.
Oh, wow. Still popping. Surprised no Hot Wheel vendors. Now let's go in and grab something to bite in there. Got an Evo pulling up. And we just got a Miata, I think that is. Oh, whoa. Got an Evo that came in. Nice
car.
Ew. One day. But I like the Mercy better. Beautiful S2K right here. Oh. Nice. Oh, another nice S2K. Oh. Nice and simple. Got my dream seats with the Bride Lomaxes, or Brid as some people call it. Nice S2K. What you doing, Ryan? Oh, two more beautiful S2Ks. I don't know, as I get older, I'm starting to like the stock look more. Beautiful nonetheless, and this one is just Sugi vibes. Beautiful. The pink and carbon fiber really goes together. It's a beautiful car, wing, just everything about it. This is cool. Nice. Beautiful EG. Wow. So we're going back to the Civic. There it is. Yippee! Hoi! Oh yeah! Alright, this is what the new light setup looks like. Bam! The whites. And then with the blues on the bottom. Fancy. Yes. Alright. Earlier, but I got a 4x4 with some animal fries. What do you get, Ryan?
Just a cheeseburger or fries. They like stay with you? Yeah, we know.
It is? Yeah. Alright. Thank you, Ryan. Thanks, man. Appreciate you, man.